we've talked about this in the past. I think the potential for how, I believe this is one of those systems that can help revolutionize how we board airplanes. The whole aspect from taking temperatures, I think that's just one facet of it. The securities part of it, I mean, there's just a wide range of opportunities that can be implemented and utilized on that perspective. I mean, one of the things we want to do is right after we get the STC issued on the thermal imaging unit, we do plan on actually having discussions with Homeland Security to do exactly that. The technology is there that we'd be able to roll out the facial recognition, and now you'd be able to pull a database, or you'd be able to pull that data, run it through a database, so that, yeah, I mean, you'd be able to kind of identify early on who has been or who are boarding an airplane. From a securities perspective, the contact tracing aspect of it as well. So there's definitely an array of what we see as opportunities of where we want to take this system.